Hey guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to change the accelerator on one of these little Power Wheel Honda Talons. The first instinct is going to go to the pedal, which is right. The problem is we got to get to it from the bottom side. So let's flip this thing over. All right, we got it lifted up, and right here is where that pedal is. Those 4 Phillips screws is what holds it in place. Let's take those off. So we've got it all taken apart now. This is our foot pedal, and on the underside here, it's where it's actually connected. We'll have to take out one more screw right there. Having a magnetic screwdriver helps a lot. So that just comes right off. All right, so we got to memorize where our wires go. Let's do that. Red by itself, then yellow and black. Red by itself, yellow and black. All right, so this new one is not labeled the same way, but it should be the exact same wiring. Red, yellow, black. So like I was showing you a while ago, there's these little pieces here, these guys, but they're down inside of here. We're going to push them and push it up. All right, now we just pull the old one out. You may have to work at that for a minute. I don't know. A flathead screwdriver would probably help quite a bit. Okay, so we'll do it this way, and it just slides right into place, just like the old one did. So we're going to put red, yellow, black. You want to wire it up just like yours is wired. If yours is wired different than mine, then wire it the same way as you took it apart, basically. Red, yellow, black. All right, now we're just going to do everything in reverse order. This piece right here slides into there. Go through this little hole here, I think. Yep, it went. Okay, our new one's installed. Now we got to flip it around and put those 4 screws that hold the pedal in place back on, and we'll be done. All right, now putting this back together, this part is a little more tricky with one person. It's easier if you have a second person to hold the pedal in place, honestly. Because you've got to reach around to hold the pedal in place and put the screw in to keep it there. There's one. Black screw in an asphalt driveway. It's kind of hard to find. All right. We got to make sure the thing works now. Oh yeah, we're good. Cool. I should get to have a lot of fun in that and not get so frustrated because it was messing up on her.